All right, welcome back to Good Enough Off-Road. Today, we are going to make a little welding cart type thing for this Harbor Freight welder that I have not used, and I'm curious to see how it works out. But like with all the projects I got planned, I just want to make something to move stuff around and organize things and keep things in a way that I can quickly start a project without chasing down or setting up. So we got a bunch of scrap, got my tank, got an old filing cabinet, got the welder, and a dolly. All right, welding cart is done for now. I'm sure we'll be modifying it as we go on. This is it. Scrap steel, filing cabinet, Harbor Freight welder. The base I made out of some 2-inch square, and then did the whole top out of some 2-inch round, and then some airless dolly tires. Little frame welded down here. I do need to get some different hardware. I basically drilled and tapped the angle iron, drilled a hole in the plastic part of the welder, so this thing is somewhat tied down. We've got our filing cabinet with storage. So yeah, rolls around good. It'll be a lot easier to work in this dirt than something with some little casters or trying to lug everything out. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment, all the things. See you guys next time.